Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Spectrum Cable Box HDMI no signal input cable and resolution fix. How to fix Spectrum Cable Box HDMI no signal. Wrong video input. Your TV is set to the incorrect HDMI channel instead of the slot holding the box. Loose cable connection. The HDMI cord becomes physically loose or dusty, breaking the video transmission between the units. Glitched software handshake. A digital sync error blocked the HDCP security link required to display the video feed. The four-step fix. Secure both HDMI ends, match your TV input source, and power cycle both devices to reset. Fix 1. Match the TV input source. Look at the back or side of your TV to see exactly which port your HDMI cable is plugged into. For example, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Then grab your original TV remote, not the Spectrum remote, and press the input or source button. Toggle through the menu and select the precise port matching your cable. Fix 2. Reseat the HDMI cable connections. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the back of your Spectrum receiver and the TV. Then check the ports for dust or debris, then firmly push the cable back into both ends until it's tapped or sets tightly. And if the error persists, swap the cable into a different HDMI port on the TV and change your input source accordingly. Fix 3. Perform an HDMI handshake reset. Unplug the power cords for both your TV and your Spectrum cable box from the wall outlet. Now leave them completely disconnected for 60 seconds. Then plug the TV back in first and turn it on. After that, plug the Spectrum box back in and allow it 2 to 5 minutes to fully boot up. Fix 4. Swap out the cable. Replace the current wire with a known working high-speed HDMI cable to see if a faulty cord is causing the signal loss. Fix 5. Check the coaxial cable input. Ensure the thick screw-on coax cable leading from the wall outlet into the cable input on the back of your receiver is tight and finger turned all the way. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.